Hi, it's me. I've been playing with this Brucke aluminium body lock, and I found out that you can rake this lock, but it's filled with serrated pins, so it gets like level 1 fault set 2, 3, 4, so it gradually opens a little bit, then all the way. But you have to use very light tension because there's no spring in this core. So yeah, I use this city rake, the 15,000s, and very light tension, and just go down with it. Just rake and use different, like, what do you call this, different angles, and yeah, it's open. So let's try to do that again. Very light tension. I barely even touched the turning tool. Different angles. And it's open. So yeah, even though there are serrated pins, you can rake this lock, but I use different angles because I saw the key had a little dip in the center, so I had that advantage. So I don't know if it's fair or not, but yeah, you can rake these open. So but the lock is nice. Like the body is nice, it's shielded, it's hardened, and it has serrated pins, six pins, and pretty good fitting. So yeah, but not so big safe after all. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe if you really like the video, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and everything. So happy holidays.